10 mind-blowing AI tools that will change your life in 2025. AI is taking over 2025. From creating videos in seconds to writing full-blown articles with a click, these 10 insane AI tools will change how you work, create, and think. And number 7? That one might just replace Google. Let's dive in. 1. ChatGPT-4. GPT-5 screen recording of ChatGPT generating ideas. You already know it, but it keeps getting better. ChatGPT-4, and soon GPT-5, can brainstorm, write, summarize, and even help automate your entire workflow. Want to write blog posts, code, or even YouTube scripts? This AI does it all. Pro tip: use it with custom GPTs for even smarter AI responses. 2. Notion AI. Notion AI generating summaries and action items. Meet your new personal assistant, Notion AI. Whether you're taking notes, organizing ideas, or writing reports, this tool summarizes, rewrites, and structures your content automatically. No more staring at blank pages. 3. Pika Labs AI generated videos playing side by side. Imagine typing a few words and getting a fully animated video. That's Pika Labs. It's an AI video generator that brings your ideas to life, whether you're making short films, ads, or social media content. Want to see how it stacks up against competitors? Stick around for number 4. 4. Runway ML. Runway ML video editing and AI generated clips. If you're into video editing, Runway ML is a game changer. It removes backgrounds, enhances footage, and even creates AI generated scenes, all with a few clicks. Perfect for content creators looking to save hours on editing. 5. MidJourney. DALL middle.e3 side-by-side AI generated images. Need AI generated artwork, concept designs, or social media graphics? MidJourney and DALL middle.e3 create stunning, photorealistic images from just a simple prompt. Artists and marketers, this one's a goldmine. 6. ElevenLabs AI generated voiceover comparison. Ever heard an AI voice that sounds almost human? That's ElevenLabs. It clones voices, generates lifelike narration, and even lets you create custom AI voices for content. Yes, you can literally have an AI version of yourself speaking. 7. Perplexity AI. The Google killer AI answering questions with sources. What if you had an AI that actually gives you instant, research-backed answers instead of endless search results? Meet Perplexity AI. It's like Google, but smarter and more reliable. Think of it as your personal AI researcher. 8. Synthesia AI avatar speaking in different languages. Want to create videos without showing your face? Synthesia turns text into AI-generated videos with lifelike avatars. Perfect for training videos, explainer content, or even YouTube automation. And yes, it speaks multiple languages fluently. 9. Grammarly AI. Grammarly correcting text in real time. Bad grammar? No problem. Grammarly AI fixes mistakes, enhances clarity, and even adapts your writing tone. Whether it's emails, essays, or blog posts, this tool makes sure you sound professional. 10. Quillbot. Quillbot rewriting sentences in different styles. Need a faster way to paraphrase, summarize, or reword your content? Quillbot is an AI writing assistant that helps students, bloggers, and professionals rewrite content without losing meaning. And there you have it. 10 powerful AI tools to help you dominate 2025. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more AI-powered content, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Because trust me, AI is just getting started.